डेली यूज इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस के ट्रांसलेशन के लिए मेरा इंग्लिश क्लासेस को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें। दोस्तों के बिना मेरा मन नहीं लगता। I don't feel like without friends. I don't feel like without friends. मुझे नहीं पता कि मैं अपने खाली समय में क्या करूं। I don't know what to do with my spare time. I don't know what to do with my spare time. क्या आप हमें अपनी कहानी बताएंगे? Will you tell your story to us? Will you tell your story to us? मैं कुछ कहने वाली थी पर भूल गई। I was about to say something but I forgot. I was about to say something but I forgot. मैं आपका शुक्रगुजार रहूँगा हमेशा के लिए। I will be thankful to you forever. I will be thankful to you forever. उसे पता नहीं चलना चाहिए कि तुम यहाँ हो। He should not know that you are here. He should not know that you are here. मैं फ्रेंच मुश्किल से समझ पाता था। I was hardly able to understand French. I was hardly able to understand French. मनोज कार नहीं चला पाता है। Manoj is not able to drive a car. Manoj is not able to drive a car. मेरी बहन पढ़ाने में सक्षम है। My sister is able to teach. My sister is able to teach. मुझे डॉक्टर के पास नहीं जाना है। I don't want to go to the doctor. I don't want to go to the doctor. मुझे इंजेक्शन से डर लगता है। I am scared of injections. I am scared of injections. दोस्तों के साथ बातचीत हमेशा यादगार होता है। Chatting with friends is always memorable. Chatting with friends is always memorable. बारिश ताजगी देती है। The rain is refreshing. The rain is refreshing. मैं आपसे घर पहुंचकर बात करती हूँ। I will talk to you after reaching home. I will talk to you after reaching home. तुम्हारी यह आदत मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं। I don't like habit of this yours at all. I don't like habit of this yours at all. जो बोलना है सीधे सीधे बोलो। Whatever you want to say, say it directly. Whatever you want to say, say it directly. तुम फोन में क्या देखते रहते हो? What do you keep watching on the phone? What do you keep watching on the phone? मैं कुछ भी देखूं, तुम्हें उससे क्या? What if I see anything to you? What if I see anything to you? मैं कल रात उसके ही घर रुक गया। I stayed at his house last night. I stayed at his house last night. वह मुझे एक मौका और देगा। He will give me one more chance. He will give me one more chance. आज उसे खाली हाथ लौटना होगा। Today he will have to return empty-handed. Today he will have to return empty-handed. यह बहुत बुरा हुआ कि वह गुजर गया। It's too bad that he passed away. It's too bad that he passed away. मुश्किल से मैं कभी सवेरे उठती हूँ। I hardly get up early in the morning. I hardly get up early in the morning. मान लो यह तुम्हारा मोबाइल है। Suppose this is your mobile. Suppose this is your mobile. मैं पहले ही उससे कई बार पूछ चुका हूँ। I have already asked him multiple times. I have already asked him multiple times. मैं न तो तुम्हारे साथ हूँ न तुम्हारे खिलाफ। I am neither with you nor against you. I am neither with you nor against you. उससे बात करने में अच्छा लगता है। Talking to her is a pleasure. Talking to her is a pleasure. उसकी सफलता बस थोड़े ही समय के लिए थी। His success was only short-lived. His success was only short-lived. उन्होंने कल रात को पार्टी में नाचा। They danced at the party last night. They danced at the party last night. मैं तुम पर किसी बात का इल्जाम नहीं लगा रहा हूँ। I am not blaming you for anything. I am not blaming you for anything. मेरा उससे कोई लेना देना नहीं है। I have got nothing to do with him. I have got nothing to do with him. पहले योग्य बनो फिर मांगो। First deserve then desire. First deserve then desire. लाइट तो आने का नाम ही नहीं ले रही है। The power is not ready to come back. The power is not ready to come back. जो कुछ पूछना चाहते हो जल्दी पूछो। Ask whatever you wish to ask quickly. Ask whatever you wish to ask quickly. सिर्फ तुम ही उसे मना सकती हो। Only you can convince him. Only you can convince him. वैसे तो वह सब मेरे अपने हैं। Although they are my family. Although they are my family. कौन कहता है भगवान नहीं है? Who says that God doesn't exist? Who says that God doesn't exist? क्या मैं तुम्हें एक राज की बात बताऊं? Can I tell you a secret? Can I tell you a secret? मुझे बाकी का काम खत्म करने दो। Let me finish the rest of the work. Let me finish the rest of the work. तुम मुझे खुलकर बता सकते हो। You can tell me frankly. You can tell me frankly. बस यूं गया यूं आया। I will be back in a flash. I will be back in a flash. चलो इसे खत्म करते हैं। Let's sort this out. Let's sort this out. मेरा इस ऑफिस में बढ़िया चल रहा है। I am having a good time in this office. I am having a good time in this office. क्या तुम्हें जरा भी चिंता नहीं है? Aren't you worried at all? Aren't you worried at all? तुम्हारा चेहरा साफ साफ बता रहा है। Well, it's written on your face. Well, it's written on your face. वह अच्छे दोस्त होने का बस दिखावा करते हैं। They only pretend to be good friends. They only pretend to be good फ्रेंड्स, तुम नहाते समय चिल्ला क्यों रहे थे? Why were you screaming while bathing? Why were you screaming while bathing? मैं दिल से माफ़ी चाहता हूँ. I am terribly sorry. I am terribly sorry. वह मुझे बहुत चालाक लगती है. She seems to be very clever. She seems to be very clever. उसे समझाना एकदम आसान है. It's very easy to convince him. It's very easy to convince him. मैं ड्राइंग में उसके जितना अच्छा हूँ. I am as good at drawing as him. I am as good at drawing as him. कोई ना कोई तुम्हारी मदद करेगा. Someone or the other will help you. Someone or other will help you. यह एकदम आसान है, तुम्हें नहीं लगता? It's really easy, don't you think so? It's really easy, don't you think so? पहले वो अच्छे से बात किया करता था. Earlier he used to talk decently. Earlier he used to talk decently. मैं आपके हर सपने को पूरा करूँगा. I will fulfill your every dream. I will fulfill your every dream. चलना हो तो तैयार हो जाओ. You want to go? Get ready. You want to go? Get ready. अगर मैं तुम्हारे साथ काम करूं तो चलेगा क्या? Is it okay if I work with you? Is it okay if I work with you?